$31,569 now with a mega white plus pickup cover edge net wrap. And folks, it has the push bar, 21.5L16, one of the flotation tires, the moisture sensor. And that is right, that is not a misprint. 4,900 bales, all that thing's had through it, Cody.
Hook up the monitor and check.
Hook it up to the monitor, folks. We got an exact bale count on you. You talk about as nice as they come. There's the monitor, everything to go with it. I'm going to Deere Baler tire, 20,000, 22.5, 22.5 now, 25,000, 25,700, 30. Did get you, Cody, 30,000, 30,000, 30,000, 30,000, 27,500, 30,000, 27,500, 30,000, 31,000, 31,000, 31,000, hit on 31,000, down to the bottom. Go ahead. I'm going to hear 31,000 down to the bottom. 31. I'm going to 30,000 down to the bottom. I'm going to go on here. Bottom of the wire. Anybody else at 31,000? 31,000. 31,000 down to the bottom. Folks, I'll promise you one thing. You won't do it on a dealer's lot anywhere. I can promise you that. They've been sitting outside on the dealer's lot, and you don't know who traded it in. You don't know the story behind it. You're buying it right off here at Dave and Don's auction. 31,000, 31,111. Take 30,500 one time. 30,500. Now 31,500. 31,500. 31,500. 31,500. 31,500. 31 now 5. 31,500 now 31,500. Ben. Yeah, again over there. 31,500. 31,500. 31,500. Yep, Ben. Yep, Ben. 31,500. 31,500. 31,500. 31,500. Here down 5. Hit 31,500. 31,500. Go ahead. 31,500. 31,500. You got a nice one. You're on the right track, old buddy. 31,500. 31,500. 31,500. What do you think, Tom? 31,500. 31,500. 31,500. 31,500 all through. 31,500. 31,500. 2.5 now 5. 31, 2.5. 31,500 and nothing finer. 31,500. 31,750. 31,500 up here now. 7,11 all day, but all day, but 31,500 here now. 7,11 up here, but 7,11 all day, but all day. Want it? Sold the Baler at 31,500. 31,500.
1090, Dan.
1090. 1090. 1090.
Well, there you go, folks. $31,500 for that sharp 2015 John Deere 569 round baler, sold today, September 12, 2019, on the farm auction in West Central Illinois by our good friends at Sullivan Auctioneers. Good solid price there at $31,500. Now, if you're wondering how that stacks up, so far this year, in 2019, the average auction price on a 569 round baler is $24,263. So again, just over $24.25. That's your hard cash auction average. Now, the current average dealer advertised price on a 569 round baler is $30,846. Now, there's something I like to call our machine repeat ratio, and that's where you divide the average auction price by the current average dealer advertised price. And if you do that, in this case, it comes out to 78.7%, and that's pretty strong. Again, I've been tracking this ratio back over 15 years, and about 71 to 76% is the normal window. So when you come in at 78.7%, what that means to me is that good used round baler values are up a little bit. And again, case in point today, 31,500 on the auction in Illinois. Now, if we want to zero in here and see the highest one so far this year, we can just use our little search filters here, again on our machinerepeat.com website. And this will just narrow all the auction prices on 569s from this year, and we can click the highest ones first, and you can see here there's the highest, 41,630. That's US dollars, June 25th, up in North Battleford, Saskatchewan. Our friends at Ritchie Brothers there on that 15 model, and then it drops down to 38,000. So there's your top 5. Now if we scroll down, 31,500. So today was the 7th highest 569 this year, and again, average price so far $24,263.
Ram Trucks, premier vehicle of Machine Repeat TV.